This is in the air to right field. Back it goes. Nando has done it again. Fernando Tatis Jr., a grand slam. For Fernando Tatis Jr., that one is thrown behind Machado, but it slipped.
Yeah.
I guess.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Oh, I can tell you exactly what that's all about.
Wow.
Swinging 3-0, which, I mean, hey, pitch better.
Trying to steal third base. Myers drives one out towards deep left center field. Back goes Heineman at the wall. It's gone! Another grand slam for the Padres. Tatis last night. Today it is Wil Myers. And with one swing of the bat, the Padres take a 4-0 lead. Everything's big in Texas. Machado to deep left field. It is high, deep, and it is a grand slam to walk it off. Manny Machado is tonight's Padres hero. How about 3 grand slams in 3 games against the Texas Rangers for the San Diego Padres?
Tell you what, they say everything's big in Texas. How about the Grand Slam being big in San Diego?
In the air to right field, towards the corner. It's back. It's gone. Welcome to Slam Diego. Grand slam for Eric Hosmer. For the first time in Major League history, a team has hit a grand slam in 4 consecutive games, and that team is the San Diego Padres.
Slam Diego! Wow. History.